Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Aquarius placements. Also, general and love reading, the person on your mind for the rest of August. Okay, so let's see anong meron. Pero again, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, yes, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms. Okay, so again, meron tayong mga evil eye protection. Okay, so meron tayong 4 samples. Okay, ito sila. 4 samples ng ating evil eye protection. So, meron tayong necklace, meron tayong 2 sample ng bracelet. Okay, isang adjustable and isang garterized. Okay, so ganyan yung kanilang pendant. Okay, so yan sila. And syempre, yung ring natin is adjustable po. Okay, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay, yung ating necklace. Anyway, next is yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay, so meron na po siyang money magnet. Okay, kasi meron na siyang citrine stone. Okay, so hindi lang love ang mamamagnet, kundi what? Pati money. So again, kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay, wala namang problem doon. Kasi charm naman siya. Okay, kasi pwede mo namang isuot. May susuot mo kung babae ka. Pero kung hindi, lalaki ka, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? Samahan po ng evil eye protection, please. And yung ating granter. Yung ating granter necklace. Okay, so taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest and tagapagbigay ng surprises weekly. Again, this is made to order and this is unisex. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay, so flat yung kanyang chain, ganyan po. So, this is 2 years na po. No, sa akin, hindi pa naman siya nag-fade or what. So, ganyan siya, maganda. Pero kung gusto nyong palitan yung chain, pwede naman. Ang importante lang po is yung pendant. Okay, and yes, yung ating yan, pangtanggal MALAS. See, kahit ako mismo kahit ako mismo, kapag feeling ko may something, yan, babalandra ko. Okay, so pantanggal alat, pangtanggal MALAS. Okay, so yun po ha. And again, yung ating pang-cleanse. So, ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite crystal. So, pang-recharge at pang-cleansing ng ating mga charms po. Yun, no? So, napakahalaga nun. Para siyang, para siyang charger. Okay, ng ating mga charms. Kung hindi nyo po alam yon. So, kailan po inire-recharge? Kapag feeling nyo kailangan. Kapag nakapagbigay sa inyo ng kung ano, nahawakan ng iba or what, yun po, yun yung mga signs at dahilan natin para i-cleanse ang ating mga charms at crystals. Okay, so again, kung meron pong tanong, message na lang po, no? So Aqua, what's for you for the rest of August? Okay, so may nag-flip na isa. Kunin natin the Queen of Wands. Okay, so this is, in general, this is talking about your physical looks. Okay, how people sees you, parang ganyan. Point of view, maybe, the person na kung sino man, no, ang makakakita sa'yo, makakakilala sa'yo, mga ganyan. The Queen of Wands, somebody who is so confident, beautiful, handsome, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? The 5 of Pentacles. Yung energy mo is so, sabihin nating, magnetic. Okay? Parang ikaw yung, nasa iyo yung spotlight. Parang ganon. Nasa iyo yung spotlight. They give you all the attention. Parang ganon yung energy. Okay? So, people always wanting you na makausap ka nila, makasama ka nila, something like that. Okay? So, energetic, sabihin natin, energetically, sabihin natin parang magnetic, no? Yung energy mo for the rest of August, parang laging lang kakailanganin ka nila, parang ganon. Okay? So, kahit sa ang aspeto, sa relasyon man, sa buhay man, sa trabaho man, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, some of you, this is specific, may chance na meron kang gagawin when it comes to your looks and talagang medyo kukurot, no? Pagdating sa kaperahan mo. So, what else for Aqua? The Nine of Wands inversed. Oh, this is trust issue. This is energy of third party. Anong meron? The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. The Ace of Swords. The Ten of Pentacles. Your money is doing good. Your money will do good. Okay? So, contract signing. So, in general, your money is going up and up and up and up. Okay? Compromise. I'm hearing compromise. I'm hearing somebody will get caught cheating, maybe. Okay? Or yeah, this is like energy na kung anong ginagawa mo. Yun, sabihin nating makukuha mo kung ano man ang magiging resulta. Like, in general, kung ano man ang ginagawa mo. If you're doing good, you're getting good energy. If you're doing bad, you're getting bad energy. Parang ganon. Okay? So, kung ano man ang ginawa mo, yun ang aanihin mo. Kung ano yung tinanim mo, yun ang aanihin mo. Parang ganon yung energy na to. Okay? Pero nakakuha ko dito, somebody's cheating. Yeah. Somebody. And I'm seeing trust issue here. Okay? So, the Chariot. What's with that? Chariot. The Six of Pentacles. Some of you, you'll forgive a Cancerian. Okay? Ten of Cups, Ten of Swords. Completion. Endings. What's with this Chariot? Some of you, may makikipag-ayos, may makikipagbalikan. The Moon. Could be a water sign. Yeah, the World. Meron ditong gusto ng another or a new beginning with you. Okay, embody the water sign. Somebody kasi is parang totally focusing on something na parang hindi nagpa-progress. I don't know kung ano yun. Some of you will go on a ride, like night, parang gabi, aalis. Here's this new beginning, or sabihin natin another chance with an earth sign, air. Okay. Some of you, ikaw itong parang sobrang madaming gagawin or parang lahat ng responsibilidad na sa'yo. Or papaako sa'yo. Kasi they see you somebody na pwedeng alam mo lahat. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan na i-grab or umuo ka lang ng umuo dito. Yeah. Yeah, another 6. So, kung ano man yung mga naging issue nitong mga nakaraan, mayroong gumugusto na ayusin kung anong man ang meron sa inyo. Meron ditong parang, okay, hindi ko to isusurrender. Gusto ko ma-fix natin to. Gusto ko maging okay tayo or mga ganyang bagay-bagay ba. O siguro, may ma-fix bago mag-end ang August, nawa. Claim it. Ating ilak yun para makuha nyo. Sa mga nangangailangan po ng parang pagbabago or parang pagkakaayos, yan, sana maklaim, sana makuha. Pero sana, no, nawa, maging okay. Hindi na yung parang energy ng repeat. Claim it. Aqua. Okay? Meron ako nakikita dito na pwedeng merong bibigyan ng tawag dito, merit. Merong OT akong naririnig dito or sabihin nating dagdag hustle. Pero nandoon yung sabihin nating dagdag rin na income ng iba sa inyo. Okay? Anyway. So there. So tayo tumungo naman sa person on your mind, Aqua. The person on Aquarius mind. So let's see. The person on your mind, Aquarius, who is this? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, bago tayo maglapag. Oo, ng ating mga baraha. So, Aqua, who is this person? Who is this? Anong meron sa kanya? And anong kailangan mong malaman? The Ace of Pentacles. They have money. I think this person, they have money. Could be an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What's with this Ace of Pentacles? They want a new beginning. Some of you, this could be a new person. The Two of Swords in reversed. This person is still expecting something good pagdating sa inyo. Okay? Kung ang isipin ng pagkakaroon ng another chance, yeah, open yun para sa kanya. Some of you, this person is giving you an offer. They're giving you an offer. They're waiting for an answer from you, maybe. So, anong kailangan mo malaman, Aqua? Yeah. So, this is a burden. So, anong nangyari? Burden na. Why? Why the Ten of Wands? Okay, the Three of Pentacle. The Three of Cups in reversed. So, the situation, sabihin natin ang bigat. Okay? They want this. Kung ano man ang meron, they want this. Yeah, the Judgment. If this is talking about a new beginning, having a new beginning with you, they're open. Itong taong to, parang kung kailangan niyang magsimula muli, no? Para makuha niya muli, siguro yung tiwala mo, or kung ano man, gagawin nila yon. Okay, ayaw nila kasi na parang wala kayong label or what. Okay? Some of you, ginugusto ng taong to na magkaroon na kayo ng panibago pagdating sa situation ninyo. Some of you, you have to drop a third party. Or maybe they need to drop a third party connection Okay? So, for me, kung ito yung tao na parang gusto mo ng bagong panimula at kailangan niya ng dumesisyon, yung iba sa kanila, medyo hirap pa pagdating sa pagpili. Kunin lang kung ano. Okay, kunin lang po. Bakit hirap? Kung sakali man, bakit hirap itong taong to na i-drop yung kailangang i-drop? If this is a third party, bakit hirap sila? The 9 of Wands in reversed. Hindi sila nagtitiwala sa kung anong pwedeng mangyari after. Okay? Yeah. 9 of Swords. I don't know kung ikaw is iniisip niyang open pa rin for this. Yeah. Hindi sila sure kung open sila dito. So, I'm hearing trust issue here, Aqua. Big trust issue. So, yun ang isang issue dito. Sa connection na to, kailangan ng pagpili rin. Hindi ko alam kung siya ba ang pipili or ikaw. So, ano bang emotion niya for you? What is their emotion right now? The 10 of Pentacles in reversed. And the Knight of Cups. Feeling ng taong to. Emosyon nila, yeah, they want this. The 4 of Wands. Sa tingin ko, parang feeling nila, emosyon nila sa ngayon is parang unti-unti nabubuwag, no? Yung kung ano man ang meron sa inyo. Kasi pwedeng iniisip niya na parang hindi na ganoon na nagfo-focus. Ikaw, maybe, pagdating sa kanya. Okay? Nandun yung energy ng fluctuating emotions, hot and cold, pagdating sa emosyon. Pwedeng siya, ganon. Okay, yeah, there's somebody else here. Okay? There's somebody else. There's options. Maybe somebody's option is open. Okay? Parang feeling niya is nagpo-focus ka na or nagbibigay ka na ng iba. Nagbibigay ka na sa iba ng attention, ng emosyon. Parang ganon. Okay? I don't think na this person kaya pa niya na magtiwala sa sitwasyon. Nandun yung trust issue. Sa totoo lang. Pero they still want this. Hindi ko isasantabi yung trust issue dito. Parang kahit magbalikan kayo or maging okay kayo, hindi nawawala yung trust issue dito. Yun yung kailangang i-heal dito. Number 1. Okay? What is your next action? And the Page of Wands. The Moon in reverse. They want to start all over. Yeah, they want to start all over again. See the Justice. Some of you, kasal kayo na tong taong to. They want to release the burden. They want to release the energy na talagang nagbibigay sa kanya or sa situation ng parang hindi maganda. Okay, so outcome. Let's see what's the outcome. The potential outcome. Bago mag-end ang August. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Ooh. Why? Death in reverse. This is ilang balik-balik na ba? Ilang balik-balik na to, Aqua. So, may chance na po dito ng parang panlalamig if ever. Yung iba sa inyo, nagkaroon kayo ng another chance, another chance, another chance, ng maraming beses. Kaya na-develop na nga rito yung issue, the trust issue maybe. Okay, so sabihin natin kahit na magkaayos kayo nito, sabihin natin the issue still there. Nakakubli lamang, pasilip-silip, no? Pwedeng ma-brought up, no? Itong issue. Okay? So, the Death is here in reversed. Wala pang pagbabago dito. Kasi andun yung pilit. So, siguro, siya lang yung may parang gusto na i-fix ito. And ikaw parang ayaw mo na. Sino nakaresonate? Sino ang nakaresonate doon? Ayaw mo na. Gusto mo pa ba itong taong to? Kasi sila parang gusto pa rin nila to kahit ilang beses na nga. Yun nga lang, parang hindi mo na kaya. Parang hindi mo na kaya. Ano ba emotion mo sa kanya, Aqua? Tingnan natin, ha? Tingnan lang natin. Ano bang issue mo sa kanya, Aqua? Anong emotion mo sa taong to? Again, they don't trust you anymore. Pero they still want this connection. The Sun. So, emotion mo is the Sun. Yeah. Yeah. The Empress universe, the world universe. So, I think I'm hearing co-parenting here. Some of you. Co-parenting. The Sun. Sabihin natin okay naman na ako eh. Pero hindi ko na to kailangan. Parang ayoko na. The Empress universe, you don't see this connection na mag-grow pa. You don't see this na mag-grow pa. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. The Eight of Wands universe. This is sad. So there's imbalance here. O siguro yung mga dahilan dito is could be kids involved, marriage involved, or other reasons pa. Okay? Pero kung kailangan yung idaan ito sa legal, daan nyo sa legal. Mahirap to eh. No? Para kang makikipagbalikan para saan? Hindi ko alam kung kanya-kanya. Ang hirap, Aqua. I'm sorry at nadaan ka sa ganyang sitwasyon sa ngayon. So, hope na maging okay ka na. Hope maging okay yung situation mo. Okay? So, let's see. All signs. Aries through Pisces. Nasad ako. Oh my gosh. Mag-smudge ako later. After this. Yeah. Because of the energy. Okay. Aries. They want this. They still want this. Taurus, they want to fight over this. Gemini, they want good cooperation. Cancer, they can't move on. Leo, they still see progress sa inyo. So, Virgo, parang gusto magsimula ng away ni Virgo. Libra, they're standing, sabihin natin, guarded. Scorpio, they're happy with you, feeling content. Sagittarius, you have this energy of karmic ties with them. Some of them, they're still wanting you, they're still manifesting you. Capricorn, there's a lot of trauma. A lot of trauma, bitterness. Okay? They want to release. Or maybe, kung ano man, pwedeng ikaw. Aquarius, so there's this energy of, sabihin nating, connection. Pero ang nakuha ko dito is a third party. Aqua. Yeah. Pero you felt a strong connection maybe with a third party. Okay. So, Pisces. Okay. So, nandun yung energy ni Pisces na parang tawag dito kawalan. Parang ganun. You're the one that got away. Parang ganyan. Energy niya. Yeah, maybe they still want this. The Three of Cups. Energy of reconciliation. Energy of victory. Success. Pagdating sa inyo. Yeah. Okay. So, nandun yung panghihinayang ni Pisces. So, again, yun ang ating reading for you, Aquarius placements. Again, please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.